Happy February. It is the month of love with Valentine's Day coming up, and our theme for this month is showing your house some love. So I am going to give you the top 5 renovations to increase your home's value and also increase the desirability for buyers. All right, number 1 is going to be curb appeal. That's what you see, your neighbors see, and if you're selling your property, it's going to be the first impression. So having your grass neat and tidy, some fresh flowers, and then a stellar front door. Colored front doors have become very, very popular. So number 1 is curb appeal. Number 2 is an updated kitchen. Buyers want something that is beautiful and sleek. Light colors are very in now, so the white cabinets, the gray cabinets. Also, colored cabinets are coming in too. Blues, the greens, those are usually really great for the lower cabinets or a kitchen island. Number 3 is a bathroom renovation. Buyers are wanting a luxury spa-like experience. So a walk-in shower and soaking tubs are back in. I know tubs have gone out for a couple years, but soaking tubs are in. Number 4, this is an easy one, updated light fixtures. A buyer is looking for something unique, a little bit different, not just your normal out of the box from Lowe's or Home Depot. They are looking for statement pieces. So in your kitchen or dining room, updating your light fixtures. And number 5 is a outdoor space. They want something that is going to be easy for entertaining, hanging out, cooking barbecues, a very inviting outdoor space. If you have a pool, having lights in the pool, but an outdoor space would be really great. All right, so a little update about the market. Interest rates are still declining, which is fantastic. We are seeing them in the mid-6s right now. Great news. And then more inventory is coming on the market. So if you've thought about selling and making a move and where am I going next, the inventory has been growing. It's about doubled from what we had on the market last year. So it is very great, and there are options out there. If you have any questions, please let us know. Karen, Grant, and I are here to help you. I hope you have a lovely month, and we will talk to you soon.